Hello, what's up? Hello, hello. 1 second, guys. Hello, hello. Good morning, bro. Welcome, guys. How are you feeling today? Good, bro. A little bit lack of sleep, but the rest things are good. Thank you. So, hi Profan. Hello, bro. Hello, welcome. So today I wanna make we continue making mobile support. By the way, I wanna check one thing. Why is it so? We had some problems in lobby, like it was possible before to join without even if I'm alone in matchmaking, and I think I know what's the problem can be here. Print removed server. Added on server, removed on server, and let's go. I think I know what's the problem. Hi, hello, welcome, guys. I think the problem because it's not so fast to send. We have a lot of ping in lobby, so that's why. So remember me? Yeah. Yeah. Why is it 46 days? What happened? There is a pinned message in the chat. There is a 4 minutes video, and thank you. There is a pinned message in the chat. There is only 4 minutes video. What this why is day 46? So if you want, you can see. Big breaking. Yeah. Thank you. I fixed. Thank you. So pinned message. There is a 4 minutes video. Why it's day 46? Print. Other than client. Removed from client. Hi, hello. So let's go check. I think I know what's the problem. I hope this is this problem. I'm back. I don't know if you remember me, but I was in your stream before. No, bro, no. Maybe you was not too much time. So let's see. Added on client. Added on server. Do you remember me? Yeah, bro, you was default. You was yesterday. Yeah. Added on server 2 times. Oh, bro, someone joined here. No, I needed to test it alone, guys, a little bit. For fun, where are you going to start rap? What? Bro. What are you working on right now? I wanna fix some bug with lobby. And then just make phone control. Because abilities doesn't work for now. Yo, what's up? Hell, today. Mic. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Hey, it's me again. Welcome. Yeah, my wire a little bit. No, guys. I don't want playtest. I wanna test alone that in the lobby. That feature, that bug. Very sensitive, yeah. I can tell he uses XLR because of the glitch. Yeah. That's true, bro. That's true. So let's see. Oh, there's a lot of guys. No, guys. Okay. Okay, you can play, guys. I think I need to just create private servers. Or wait, no, that doesn't fit anymore. Okay, maybe we need to remove matchmaking servers, because there's a lot of ping it gives. There's a lot of ping, really, like 300. That's not okay. I found a bug where you auto-click opening the crate so much that it continues opening by itself. Okay, bro. Oh wait. Bruh. Thumbnail for the game? No bro, this is test version. This is not release version, because if I make thumbnail, a lot of players will join here, and they not read, bro. A lot of players probably don't read like it's test version, and then they can dislike this game. So this is not necessary for now, because really I think anyway it will be worse. So yeah, this is just open tests. You're right, Nike. Really like these streams. Thank you bro, thank you very much. Same, thank you guys. You try to copy and every time chat moves. Yeah. So okay, let's see. Let's see queue service. A lot of issues, I think, because we have matchmaking service, and there is high ping in the lobby. That's why a lot of issues in the shop and so on, because memory service increases ping by sending a lot of requests every time. How to play test? Just join Roblox group in the description, and there is a game called Live Light, and there is now open test, so you can play test, but you need a minimum 2 players, because this is no AI, so you can't play alone. Can you please accept my friend request? No bro, I'm not accepting any requests, because I'm not playing Roblox, bro, and I'm playing Roblox very rarely, and when I add a lot of people, the problem, because when I'm working on the streams, a lot of invites comes to my Roblox Studio for some reason. I don't know why, and it's really annoying. So, and so I can't add you, because if you I want a promise. No, bro, this is not how it works. Because really, if I add one guy, other guys will also like, why, bro, you added him but not me? So no, bro. And I don't see any reasons why we need to be friends in Roblox, because, bro, I'm not playing Roblox. Very rarely. I'm mainly developer, so no. I had some friends, but really this is so disturbing while you are streaming and there's invitations. What the hell? And yeah, so guys, sorry, but no. You can join Discord server, you can join our group, and we can talk here in the chats, so you're welcome. But the problem, because Roblox don't have a feature where I can turn off all invitations, something like a streamer mode, and yeah, so guys, really. Hello, the bomb is really fun. Great, bro. Nikke, you trying XP farm to get top 1. By the way, I don't know, guys. This levels resets every day. Yeah, yes, every day. It resets every stream, so you can always try again. Oh, that's good. Interesting feature. I'm making an admin menu, but I can test the god mod if it works. So do you have any tips how to test it? But I can't test the god mod if it works. So do you have any tips how to test it alone? What, I don't understand. What do you mean? In my game or in your game? This is exploits or what? What the hell? Exploits or what's that? Or admin menu for your game? Or so let's see what's here. In my game, I'm making an admin menu. So, but I can test the god mod if it works. So, do you have any tips how to test it alone? I don't understand what is god mod, and I don't know what your admin menu is. So, and what's the problem to test it alone if there is... Oh, like you mean you invincible? Just make a damage part. Just make some damage part, which like make a part inside, put the script like touched, script parent touched, and deal damage to your humanoid when you're touching, and then just check if your god mod works. So like so, just damage part. But did you learn scripting from tutorials? That is what subject, and I want to know how can I learn faster. Yeah, of course, bro. I started with tutorials. I just started with GNOME Code tutorials because my first game was Memes Tower Defense. So I just watched his Tower Defense series, just copy one by one. So, and then after that I just found after this series I just found all things I need like one by one. For example, I need to make a timer. I search, I'm looking for how to make a timer. So how you can learn faster, this is definitely just find information depending on your task. For example, you need to make a player double jump, just find how to make it. You don't need to learn everything you see. This is my opinion, of course, but for me that was very helpful. Like, I'm very glad that I did like so. So just step by step. Of course, and at the beginning it will be difficult to create something alone. Just copy, but not copy and paste. Just write code, I think. And when something doesn't work, always try to find a solution, bro. Because really, you can solve, I'm sure, like 90% tasks. Also, I'm sure about that if this is not a big project. So 90% of tasks, or maybe 99 really at the beginning. So don't think, like, don't give up. This is the main thing. You always can find the solution, bro. You just need the time. But when you find the solution, you really grow as a developer a lot. So just solve these problems, never give up, and search info depending on your task. Yeah, I'll test that. Great, bro, great. Okay, thank you. No problem, bro. It is a RNG game, a simple thing to do, I think. That's great, bro, that's great. By the way, I made when I made my first game, I made the common mistake which beginner developers made. Like, I made my project too big, like a couple of years. That's I supposed to do that. So yeah, that's great, bro, if you make your project like less than like I don't know, maybe 3 months, maybe maximum, I don't know, half a year. That's great, bro, if you finish until this time ends, because after that it's sometimes difficult to find energy for that. So good job, bro, good job. Small projects at the beginning, that's very important. I learned scripting by first watching a small bit of tutorial and then write the script that the tutorial did. Then I try without the tutorial to do the same script. Yeah, also like a solution, like also like way how to learn. But anyway, I didn't want to spend a lot of time for that, so I just want to see the result. So I didn't do like so. I just really rewrite the code. But the main problem, guys, when you start with someone's tutorials, when you have when you have empty scripts, that's one thing. So this is easy because you just copy all of that, and but the main problem starts when you already have some basis, some code inside, and you want to add something new inside, because you can add some new feature and they can block each other or something like so. Your previous script can block new ones, and really, so there's start a lot of problems. So, but anyway, it's all solvable, so don't worry. A lot of people solve that, and just try to find the solution always, because this is, I think, the best way how to grow as a developer much more. So don't worry about copying, rewriting, not copying, rewriting code at the beginning. That's okay, because at the beginning, really, when you doesn't understand what the hell is happening here, so I know this feeling. But later, guys, one day you realize like, oh, I understand how it works. When I just see the beginning of that tutorial, okay, I understood the concept, I understood how they did that, I remade that better for my purposes, that's all. So just one day, if you studying much enough, you'll face the same, you'll feel the same feeling. My queue is service. Hi, hello, welcome. Can you tell me what should I learn about scripting in Lua? So some of the things I know right now are communication between scripts, events, saving data, functions like task spawn, etc. Bro, I no. This is what I told to you. Like you asking what should you learn about Lua, but I didn't learn script like so. So of course I watched some tutorials. I watched some tutorials like basis, like how module scripts work, how codes works, like how events works, and that's all. You don't need to learn. You don't need to learn a lot of things, you see. So why is no one watching the stream? Because, bro, this is short stream. This is full size stream on the channel. You can join here, and you're on the short stream. There's 2 streams on the channel. So you don't. I think, of course, you can learn everything, but I didn't learn anything I don't need. So, for example, I have a task, I need to find the solution. I just can find the tutorial, and where I see the new function. I see, for example, oh, task spawn. Okay, I'm interested, like I'm go to developer forum or maybe watch some tutorials on YouTube, because I'm interesting. I want to understand what is task spawn. So that's why. So you don't need to learn everything, you see. This is my opinion, of course. You can do whatever you want, but for me, this is helped me grow so fast and so fun. So because really I just not learn unnecessary things, because you easily forget about that when you don't use your knowledge. This is very important thing. This is not only in Roblox. You really very fast forget knowledge you don't use. But imagine you use this, you learn something new, and you use it immediately. And next time when you why this is great, next time when you face the same problem, you just go to search your feature you added before. Okay, I already did that. Oh, I have this function where I've already made that, and you just see from here. So this is like you have always your previous code where you can find because really so when you use it once, this is not guarantee you remember that, and you just come back to your previous code. Oh, I already made this feature. Okay, you see how you made this, you make it again, and just it helpful for you. So that's it. So I think this is very good way to learn like so. Yeah, but that's it's how it works for me. But I can try a tactic. Maybe it will help me a lot. I hope, bro. I hope. Okay, of course you can do whatever you want, but just realize, bro. I have a lot of experience in different on different how it's called, ways, hobbies, I don't know. So I made YouTube videos, I learned a lot of editing in some programs for editing videos, now learning coding, and always Blender I learned. And always if you don't use your knowledge, bro, I forget everything very fast. Like 1 month I learned something, or maybe I found some good tutorials. Oh yeah, okay, great, I learned that, and after 1 week I'm not using, and I join in the I open the Blender and I see and I think how to rescale the cube. Something like so. So really, but when you use your knowledge immediately, you have opportunity for code. This is very important. Like now, even now, bro, I made my game 1.5 year. Sometimes I just open my previous game and see, oh, how I made this feature here. Oh, okay, I made this like so, this is like so. And just copy from that, or just like I always can see what I did before, of course, because keep all knowledge in your mind, this is also very difficult. So, but when you have your code, your previous code, which you use before, so this is easier to understand, because when you do something once, the next time it will be much easier to understand that, even if you forget that. So, and of course, bro, of course, very important, I think, to make clearly understandable variables. So not call the variables like A, B, C or something like so. Like minimum players understand what to do. Q event, okay, this is understand what. So this is also very important, because just do all variables. Like imagine you do this for code for programmer developer who never will see your game. You need to make this like for people, so people should open your code and they should understand what's happening here, like so. But this is not for your team, maybe you wanna work alone like me, but this is the important thing, because after half a year you open your previous project, for example, and you it won't be very hard to understand what happened here, because all variables called clearly understandable for you. Maybe I'll leave some comments, so like so, and to describe what's happening here for you. Oh, that's all, I think. Oh, what the hell with my mic today? So for fun, I passed my exam. I just got one more left. Great, congratulations, bro, congratulations. But why your exams in July? What the hell? Why so late, bro? When by the way your last exam? Dominic, by the way, welcome, bro. I'm homeschooled, that's why my exams are happening different times. Oh, I got it, bro. My last exam will be in a week from now. Oh, and then after that you'll have holidays or not? Because I was surprised that Default, if I'm not wrong, yesterday told me he's from Germany, if I'm not wrong. He told me like he has like 42 days of holidays, because in my country we have like almost 3 months of exams or exams holidays almost 3 months. I mean for in school. Okay, let's try queue service. Okay, really, let's first try to solve. I'm from Latvia and I have holidays from June to September. Yeah, same thing here. Yeah, like yeah, same here thing. I'll be done with all of high school after this exam. Oh, great, bro. But 3 months holiday is insane. I wish if I could had that. Yeah, I was very surprised yesterday because I thought it's everywhere, and really, for me that was I was shocked. So good, bro. I wish you good luck in on your past exam, and congratulations with passing that one. So let's main module. What's that? Let's let's replace matchmaking control. Thank you so much, Perform. No problem, bro. No problem. Use service, matchmaking control. Okay, let's go. Let's try this one. Max players 10. Minimum amount of people that can trigger the queue countdown. 2. Matchmaking control, main game ID. By the way, I like this, like we have count time here. So instead of here, instead of player edit, we'll make an event like we did here. Let's copy event, and when we call our event, let's copy all of that stuff. Okay. I don't know if it's also use memory service or what. How we can remove our player from how we can remove let's see, maybe here definitely should be some examples. Teleport. Initiated. Initiated. First, when the queue is full of none has finished. And so teleport. My queue, by the way, Oh, not my queue, maybe. Wait. Where added my queue. So we don't need this one. My queue to report. Manage reports players to the place ID given with the queue was created. It was given. Report. And by the way, let's allow private servers. Where is it? Private servers. Here is. It's initiated, but it's not reporting of it. Or maybe we can just one second, guys. So and no scripting too. Great, good job. So what do you think the best way to make cross-server matchmaking? To the place ID given, queue was created if it was given. Okay, maybe it okay, let's try. I'm not that advanced yet. Okay, bro. Hi, bro. Hello. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Okay, let's see. Oh, wait. My bad. Script parent. Oh no, script, not parent, just script main module. And server we don't need, I think. I'm like beginning of advanced. Great, bro, great. Just continue working. I also not experienced. I'm a noob. Let's see. Like 10 seconds. queue was initiated. Like 10 seconds it should. By the way, let's see what is our requests. No any requests, but I'm not sure it works across different servers. No, you're good. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Oh, server, what the hell? It's not, it won't teleport us at all. Mean start. Let's try here first. Anyway, it should print us some things. Yeah, because minimum players is not enough here. Let's put 1 and 5 seconds. Let's go. After 5 seconds we need to initiate that. Yeah, but it doesn't teleport for some reason. Place ID. Yes, of course, because where we use our place ID? Nowhere. We need I can like make events and stuff. Great. Anyway, bro, this is good. You started learning. Do you want to try? Do you already tried to do some games or what, or not, or you just learning? Place ID. Okay, let's see. Create. Wait. Box players may start count time. I think place teleport the players in completion. Create. Where's create? Just trying mechanics. Nice. Anyway. So you really just started, bro. Okay, anyway, really, because I think one of them hardest step, this is start and continue after and continue in the beginning, because sometimes you face a lot of difficulties and it's you just need to keep working. Use service create. Oh wait, create. Oh yeah, look, let's look. Oh yeah, of course, here is a place ID. We need to put place ID. Okay, let's try it like so. Yeah, it's quite hard, but anyway, bro, just keep learning and you'll be able to solve all that stuff, all these problems you see. you face. Okay. Removed on client. Oh wait, no. This is here. Added on client. Let's remove that. So I thought my queue. Teleport. Maybe like so. But I think we need to pass through this queue. Okay. Better. My queue at player. My queue. Max players may start count time. Place ID. My queue teleport. So we should pass just this queue. Yeah. Okay, let's put place ID queue. Okay, let's try. Support queue. Hi, hello. No, we need to pass anyway this queue. What's the game about? There is a pinned message in the chat. There is 4 minutes video what this game about and how I made this game in 30 days. But in general this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors. So if you want you can watch the video, only 4 minutes, pinned message in the chat. Max players. Mean start, count time, place ID. So we have all parameters. We create queue start. What's your issue? I wanna connect queue service, but for some reason it doesn't support. This is a module script. For some reason it doesn't teleport a player. Manually teleports players to the place ID given when the queue was created, if it was given. Yes. Teleport service doesn't work in playtesting, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I know, but it should there should be a error, like I can't use that. But let's try. Really, let's try. Yeah, I just want to see any errors, like... No, it doesn't... Oh. Bro. You're right. What the hell? You're right, absolutely. Thank you very much. So I thought because when I used before teleport service, it told me like there was error. I thought it will be the same here. Okay, mean start 2. Let's try like so. Thank you very much, bro. You're absolutely right. Minimum players 2. Let's see. Now I shouldn't be teleported after 2 seconds. And by the way, let's see any ping issue. There is no any issue, I think. Let's see our requests. I'm interested what we use in this module. Teleport service, messaging service and HTTP service. Okay, yeah, because before we use memory service and there was too high ping. So yeah, I'm not teleported. Great, that's great. And now I wanna make remove our player from queue. Breaks every loop, deleting all key data in process. This service handles players who leave the game automatically, using remote player to do this unnecessary. This is functions. Let's make bool if q equals true, else if q true we add our player, if not we remove our player. And my q let's go. Move player. Let's see. Yeah, like so. So if it looks like so, that's great. If it works, so simple. Publish to Roblox. Let's go. Nice. Now min start one. Count. By the way, I like count time because in the previous one we didn't have that, and we faced a lot of problems like really. Sometimes it teleported instantly. No, 5 seconds will be. Okay, we cancel. So we already, if it works, we're already being teleported, but we're not. Now let's teleport. Yeah. Nice. Great. And there is no any ping, but need to test if it works across servers. Great. Nice, nice, nice. Great, I like it, guys. I like it finally. But of course, we need to test that with the cross server and if it works properly. Okay, guys, but now I'll make a little break, like 10 minutes. I'll make a tea and I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm back, guys. You can cook for real. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I'll play your game when out. Great, great, bro. So now I turn off my camera for a little bit, guys. By the way, if there's maybe you know, guys, is if there's any options to run two Roblox clients. Okay, better not to do it, I think. Okay, turn off the camera a little bit because I need my phone. And let's try. I know. Let's join on my phone. What is price? 100. From Germany? No, bro, I'm not from Germany. I'm from Ukraine. Guys, I need to test some features alone. So we can't play now. Oh, free. Yes, free. Save. And let's publish to Roblox. No, that looks like doesn't work. After 5 seconds it should work. So no, it doesn't work. Doesn't work cross-server matchmaking. So it works only on one server. Supports cross-play screen. If you want everyone skill to be teleported to another place, you all to supply the place ID. So let's see more info. Wait. So they don't use messaging and HTTP service? What the hell? What the hell? So they just support everyone from one server only. Yeah. Sup, hello, welcome. It's like we can use messaging service. Okay, let's find Roblox Studio. Okay, turn off my camera so we don't need it. Turn on. We don't need. We don't need to test now. One second, guys. So let's see what we can use in matchmaking. Cross-server matchmaking. Your screen is hidden. Oh, yeah, thank you. Hello, hello, Kiwi. Welcome. So let's close that. Okay, let's see our previous matchmaking. So, Roblox Studio. Okay, let's see, maybe someone faced the same problems which we had before with the matchmaking service, how it's called. Matchmaking service. So yeah, we use this one. Let's see, maybe someone faced the same problem, like high ping. Okay, let's close unnecessary things first, because there's a lot of tabs. Okay, let's see.
Hey there, fellow developers. Today, the chances are lack of activity occurs because no one's playing your game. Data stored in the memory service can last up
Matchmaking new, it will be. Wanna see the ping? Great work, man. Thank you, bro. So a lot of requests from memory store service. Okay, let's see. Sorry, matchmaking, just. Okay, let's try this one maybe. Let's see. What the hell? Some issues with internet. 1 second. What the hell? I need to reload my OBS, I think. I hope all works. Yeah, should work. Yeah, should work. Tell me guys if some issues will be with stream, because my internet sometimes works not so good. What's up, bro? What's up, Albert? Welcome, bro. Hello, hello. What's up? What's up? Tell me guys if there are some issues with stream. Oh yeah, probably there is. Yeah, I don't know, my internet is feeling bad for now. What's up? What's up? I'm kinda new. What game is he making? There is a pinned message in the chat. There's a 4 minutes video what this game about and how I made this game in 30 days. Pinned message in the chat here. But in general, this is like hide and seek with random abilities for survivors each level, with procedural generated map, and like so, hide and seek with abilities in general. So let's see. There's also, he uses memory store service, but this is not so complicated script like we used before. So let's try this one. Okay, matchmaking 1, matchmaking 2. Here will be matchmaking 3. Oh no no no. Check for confirmed queue. Now when you add players to the queue, there should be one more thing. You should confirm a queue and teleport them to the round or another place. You can do it from every server. Meaning there is 100 servers and their queue confirms 100 servers. Only one service will be able to teleport them. All other Is this guy real? No. I'm not real, bro. Mess one. What is it? Range a sync. Oh, let's see what is sorted map. Sorted map does structure memory stores, allowed you to store frequent in-memory data as key value. Pairs with an optional sort key and maintain a specific order based on the sort keys and keys. So we get sorted map here. I already used memory store in my previous game to keep the data when player rejoin to the game, and that works good here. But I didn't do like cross-server matchmaking, of course. There was only on one server all of that. Roblox might finally optimize their game after almost 20 years from 2026. 26? What do you mean, like client or what? Okay, let's first place that inside our server script. Place ID. This ID here. Like Roblox is gonna make their game less laggy. Optimize less lag. Oh, great, bro. Let's place here also our new event. And call where is it? On server event. Wait, no. Or wait, connect function. Event, let's go. But I think that's fake because Roblox is mostly lazy. I don't know, bro. Didn't hear about that. Join queue event. What's join queue? Okay, let's try without that. Where is it? What equals game mode 1? Let's go. Key value sort key. Let's close these unnecessary things for now. because okay, let's make here's local game mode equals to game mode 1. Mm-hmm. What you doing? Hello, I'm Heiner. Fixing matchmaking. Fixing matchmaking. How did you learn to script? Just learn all step by step, like I did, all depending on task. For example, I need how to make. I need to know how to make the player double jump. I just find how to make the player double jump. So this is the best approach, I think, because you forget a lot of stuff after some time if you really just learn everything you see. Oh wait, so just step by step, depending on task, you need to learn. Like you make your OB game and you find how to make traps or other stuff for that. You don't need to learn meta tables, all the rest stuff. And of course you need to know the basics, like how scripts work, how model scripts works, how events works, but this is not a lot of things here you need to know. And then just I rewrite the code from tutorials, not copyright, and then I just realized that, of course, I tried to understand always. I tried to understand always like how it works, and now I'm here. Mod. But we place that not like so. We place that in event. No queue event. Answer event connect function layer. Let's try. Wait. No. Maybe if and like so. Like so, maybe. Okay. No, that just doesn't work. Okay, let's make the same thing like in tutorial better. That's true. Let's remove that. And let's create bindable event. Join queue. Duplicate the storage events. Queue event connect. And also the server script service. Let's make some script. Here is Yeah, receiving remote from the client. So we just this is just response for our client. Let's receive here. Let's receive our event here. Wait, why I do it here? I need to do it here. Let's copy Q event and paste here. Q event on server event connect function layer. Put it inside. So if we do this, we call our yeah, we call understand. We don't need it really. So let's place better here, and let's place better here, and this script will be deleted. And just call function here. This is absolutely the same thing. Let's see. We'll have the same error. Yeah, nice. Attempt to index new with game mode 1. Server host for what mod? What's that? Very interesting. True. Server host false. Where we change this value? Inside this. Okay. So we go here. Data retrieved. This is host data. Get a sync. What? This is data store or what? Nil. Okay. So I've got it why it's there's no game mods, because there's just no any data. I currently perfect the game I was making to release in on Monday. Oh great bro, great. That's great bro. Okay. Please show me the game. There is a pinned message in the video. Pinned message. There is a pinned message in the chat. There is 4 minutes video about this game, what this game about, and how I made this game. but in general this is hide and seek with abilities. So for now it doesn't work, so I can show you now. So there's a 4 minutes video in the chat. If you want, you can see. Sorry, I don't want to leak it now. On Monday come to this stream again and I'll show it to you. I thought he meant my game. Oh, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, let's just analyze step by step. We go here. There's a mod, game mode 1. True. Set async. Player game job ID. What is job ID? I don't know. Let's see. This property is unique identifier for the running game server instance. Okay, just ID, unique ID. Maybe equals equal. Or okay, guys. Okay. Is any number you want, like 5? Okay, guys, my brain today is not working at all, so let's better continue tomorrow. Really, because today is too hard to think. I don't know why. Let's delete unnecessary things. Join queue. Yeah, bindable event we don't need. I think I think this can be a solution, but need to understand it well, because I don't. This is also use messaging service, but maybe there won't be a lot of requests here, like in our current thing. So okay, guys, we'll see tomorrow better, and do these things. So thank you all who watched today. Thank you all who been here, and we'll see tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.